Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use auto editing in the Lightroom app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Lightroom app. And here it usually opens up in the gallery. We have to select the picture that we want to edit. Let's say it's this one. We tap on it, and after it loads, from the bottom bar there is a auto button. If we tap on this, then the image is going to be edited automatically. Now, this isn't a professional edit, it's just things that the computer thinks that should be modified. But if you don't like what you got, you can play around and edit the image yourself to get an image that best suits your taste. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and see you in the next one.